Let's talk about acne scarring. What are they, how are they formed, and what can we do about them? So acne scarrings are little indentations into the skin, and they're formed by the disturbance or the haphazard layering of collagen as a result of an inflammatory process such as acne itself, if it's left untreated. So these collagen fibers tend to actually, under normal circumstances, will be undergoing a sequential or a strategic healing process or a cascade to be formed. But in acne scarring, this is actually disturbed. So what you end up getting is an indentation that can be formed different shapes. So you may end up having something called ice pick scar, which is almost like an inverted triangle. There's a box scar as well as a rolling scar, and they're also accompanied by a little bit of redness. Actually, you will tend to see a type of redness surrounding the scar itself. Now this is known as post-inflammatory erythema, and it tends to sort of linger. It doesn't really tend to go away as a result of the inflammatory process that happens. So in this particular case, this type of condition can actually affect skin confidence, and a lot of people tend to get a little bit down when they actually have this type of texture on their face. So what can you do about it? Well, let me tell you about my patient here. My patient here has had this type of acne scarring. She did suffer from acne over a long period of time, and her acne, after it's been resolved, has left her with scarring. She has actually gone and had laser treatments done, but she didn't find that they actually did much good. So she came to me to see if there's anything that can be done about her skin and what we can then do differently. Now, I am a great believer of treatment layering, so I tend to use 2 or more modalities and approach the skin 360 degrees. So I don't just treat the inside, but I also treat the outside, because I think the overall luminosity, clarity, as well as the reflection and refraction of the skin can really impact on the overall appearance of the treatment outcome. So I have used different types of modalities here, one of which is skin needling. I also have used other sort of injectables. I've also used other techniques as well as chemical peels, and really worked all of them in one session, because as long as you know what you're doing and how you are actually approaching the skin at different layers, you're able to actually achieve fantastic results. So look at the difference at what one treatment can make. This is one treatment, guys, that I've had with this patient, and actually the results are outstanding. The pictures were taken by the patient, by the way. The patient has taken the picture for the before as well as for the after, and a credit to her that she has managed to understand the brief and know that she needs to take the pictures almost identical to make sure that we get a consistent sort of comparison between the two. But what you can see is a reduction of the redness, which is fantastic, as well as a reduction of the pores, as well as the reduction of the scar itself, and that is with one treatment. So I am super delighted. I am going to be seeing her again, because I think we've made such a fantastic start. The only way is going to be up. So it's really, the main thing is actually it impacts so much on her confidence. She feels so much more positive. She feels that she's able to go out without makeup. So if you like this type of content and you want me to talk more about skin treatments and skin conditions, please share, like, and follow. Keep glowing and stay amazing.